Yeah, this one ain't no sub. You want to switch off on that mic?
Nah.
Nah.
That's how we did in the battles. Nah, I got this.
Right?
I'm good. I'm good, fam. You can have that mic.
I need to be the subs on this one.
Where's Cisco go?
He's right there. He's got a remote control.
Really? He ain't working it. What you doing, Cisco? Where did he go?
I don't want to burn no time. Let's switch off.
Okay.
Switch off.
See, Cisco, all that technology, bro. We still can't get it
Yeah.
done.
So look. So yeah, we'll switch off and then you can do the cuts, whatever, if you want to. Just, I don't know, whatever.
Give him some volume. Cisco.
Yeah.
Cisco, can you turn him up? You're killing us right now, Cisco. See, we always have problems with the sound man, right? See?
I know we're bad. We'll switch up on that one.
Right.
That one's already set for that, too. Good. Turn it up, Cisco.
Messing up, Cisco.
Enough power. That's it, man.
Yeah.
I want to have a drink. All right. Give it up for Rozelle, y'all.
The humility. West Coast legend.
All right, we're going to get back to
5-0.
We're gonna get back to the on the wheels. We're gonna bring up Extra Mile in a bit. Hope you guys are enjoying the show. Have a drink. In 5 minutes, we're gonna have Extra Mile jump on stage. All right, y'all. Back to the music.